Good morning, drone world. First on today's news, we're taking a look at the world's first 4-axis camera, which has just been released from DJI. The Ronin 4D has made waves around the world using its new technology and key components taken from the drone industry and used to create an industry-leading camera. One of the most groundbreaking innovations that DJI has made with this camera is the integration of the gimbal into the camera body. The Zenmuse X9 gimbal has similar components to that of the DJI Inspire 2 that removes the need to rebalance the gimbal when switching lenses. In addition to this, the camera has a wireless handset which, like a drone controller, gives you the ability to amend all the white balance and aperture features and even the camera angles from the device. Lastly, DJI have now introduced a LiDAR focus system that gives visual cues as to whether a subject is in focus, removing all guesswork from focus pulling. This camera really is changing the game. Now, are Apple planning on entering the drone space? Last week, Apple Incorporated submitted a patent in the US which related to systems and methods for using unmanned aerial systems in cellular networks. With Apple offering a wide range of products, this could mean a number of things. It could be Apple's first look at developing their own drone, or it could mean that the company is preparing to adapt its software to operate around the new 5G banding. For now, it's an interesting concept, but we'll keep you up to date when we hear more. And finally, in COPTRZ news, we're delighted to announce the upcoming dates for the end of this year and the beginning of next year. Our GVC classroom course will be taking place in both Hook and Leeds on the 23rd to the 25th of November, and we'll also be doing a course in Leeds between the 1st and the 3rd of December. We'll then be kicking off again in Leeds on the 11th and 13th of January before we head back to Hook between the 18th and 20th. Since starting our GVC classroom courses again post-COVID-19, we've sold out both dates that we've had on offer. If you're interested in getting your GVC back on track and under your belt, there's no more efficient way than doing it on our 3-day crash course. Within 2 days of theory, we'll cover everything that you need to know to operate in UK airspace. And then on the 3rd day, we'll give you the opportunity to demonstrate your flight skills in the practical flight assessment. Click the link in the bio to get in contact with our team and get yourself booked on to one of the limited spaces. And please don't miss out. Thanks for joining us on this week's Good Morning Drone World. Tune in next week to hear more on all things drone.